were recently spotted in an old egg hunt game. Check it out, right there, and also right there. Now, what would two Roblox admins doing in an old egg hunt game? I don't know. That egg hunt game hasn't been updated in years. It's from 2018. It's like 7 years old. Wait, did I do the math right? Yeah, 7. But they actually wrote something in the chat. Check this out right here. They said destined to crack open in 2025. That's what the Roblox admin said right there. And now, a few weeks after him saying that, we got this secret Roblox game popping up under the Roblox group, and it was updated 5 hours ago. I don't know. I hope it's an egg hunt, and if it is an egg hunt, I hope it's a good egg. That's all I'm going to say about that. So, a few days ago, I talked about this right here in a video. And basically what it is a bunch of Roblox players that started getting massive Robux refunds. So this guy here, he got a message from Roblox and it said, hey, you got a Robux refund of 2,000 Robux. Basically, he purchased an avatar item. That avatar item is no longer available, and now Roblox is refunding. Of course, you can go to your Roblox messages and check and see if you have any Roblox refunds. I have a few myself in here. If you go to your messages, you can scroll through and check them out, see if you have any. Well, recently a bunch of players started getting Roblox refunds. Check this out. Lily here, she tweeted, she said, what? What? I got all these messages today. Look at this. Literally, look at these messages. This is insane. Credit applied, credit applied, credit applied, credit applied, credit applied. Look at all of this Roblox. This guy here says he got over 7,000 Roblox from it. Now, unfortunately, Roblox doesn't tell you exactly what item got refunded that you bought, but this person here says, I bought a lot of knockoffs and I got over 20 refunds.